We have some unexpected dropshipping news, and that is Oberlo will be shutting down in just a couple of weeks. This seems like the end of an era because Oberlo serves as the backbone for countless dropshipping stores worldwide. So let's talk about what you need to do to your Shopify stores today before Oberlo shuts down on June 15th. So when you guys log into Oberlo, you guys will see this message directly from them on their homepage explaining that they are shutting down and recommending you to migrate to de-essers by June 15th. So you can no longer download Oberlo from the Shopify App Store, and you have to move all of your information out of it by June 15th. And I don't know if it's just me, but I've definitely noticed a lack of performance in Oberlo over the last couple of months, a lack of customer service, and it seems like they're just shutting down this project altogether based on many different issues. But they say right here that they recommend migrating to de-essers, which is another fulfillment partner. We'll go over that. That's what I'm currently using on some of my own Shopify stores. But I'll also give you many other great options as well, so you're not limited to just one fulfillment partner, because everybody's situation is unique to their own business. So Oberlo makes it very simple and easy to get set up with this. You literally just click migrate to de-essers now. It'll have you set up an account and then migrate all of your products, orders, store information, as well as your AliExpress account over to de-essers, and it's very simple to use and set up just like Oberlo. So if we just go ahead and click on migrate to de-essers now, I'll show you how simple and easy this process actually is. So then click continue to de-essers. It's gonna have you download it on your own Shopify store. Click install app at the top right here. And then it's gonna bring you to the screen so that you can migrate everything from Oberlo over to your new de-essers app if you choose to go with de-essers. So once everything is installed, you just click start migration down here, and it's just gonna give you a few simple steps like setting up your AliExpress account with de-essers and migrating all of your store's information to this new app. So it makes it very simple to do in just 3 easy steps if you choose to go with this. But make sure to do your research on de-essers to see if it actually meets your own store's needs and to see if there's a plan on there that works for your business. Okay, so now I just wanna give you guys a few alternative options that you guys can use if you choose not to go with de-essers based on your own store's fulfillment needs and everything that you need from each app. So first up, we have CJ Dropshipping. It's a very popular app within the dropshipping space. You guys can source products on there. You guys can find new suppliers. You guys can actually find winning products on there. And another great option is you can decrease your shipping times and have different plans accustomed to your own store based on what you guys need. So do your research on CJ Dropshipping. It's a great alternative to use. But next up, we have ZenDrop right here. It's another fulfillment service. They have different monthly plans based on how many orders you're getting per month, but they have great fulfillment services as well as a great range of products and suppliers. So right after that, we have AutoDS, which is just like de-essers. It's another great fulfillment tool if de-essers does not meet your standards. They have different plans on here, as you guys can see, starting at $24 a month and going up to $197 a month, but they also have great reviews, and I've heard nothing but great things about AutoDS. So if you guys are going the print-on-demand route, you guys should definitely look at Printful. You guys can download, or you guys can design your t-shirts or whatever you guys want to sell directly on this app, and then they will fulfill all of your orders for you. You just go through and pay for each order as it occurs, and they will handle everything else for you. So they have great shipping times, they have great quality control, and really everything that you guys need to start a print-on-demand business in 2022. And then last but not least, we have Shipbob. If you guys want to have somebody else hold your inventory and really lock down those shipping times, processing times, quality control, and you're just looking to scale your business to the next level, Shipbob is a great fulfillment partner. You guys can buy your inventory directly from websites such as Alibaba, have it shipped to them, and they will manage everything for you. It's very easy to use, it's very easy to keep control of everything, and it's a great option when you guys are looking at scaling your dropshipping stores moving forward. Oberlo shutting down just simply means that you need to find an alternative fulfillment partner over the next couple of weeks. I gave you many great options to choose from. Do your research and see which one works best for you. Oberlo makes transitioning to another app very simple and easy to set up, and I hope this video helped you to prepare your own stores. Remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more, and don't forget to check out our many resources in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.